Bangladesh. A land where rivers write the story of life. Nestled at the meeting point of the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers. This small South Asian country is home to the largest delta on Earth, the Bengal Delta. Here, water is everywhere. It shapes the soil, feeds the crops, and nourishes nearly 170 million people. For thousands of years, these mighty rivers have carried rich silt all the way from the Himalayas, creating incredibly fertile land that supports one of the world's most productive agricultural systems. It's a gift from the mountains, delivered by the water. The river gives us life. Every season it brings new soil for our fields. Bangladesh is a delta in constant motion, growing, shrinking, and shifting with the seasons. Each year, the rivers deposit nearly 1 billion tons of sediment, building new islands called chars. Some of these can appear almost overnight, while others might vanish just as quickly, reclaimed by the current. Life here has learned to adapt. Villagers move, people rebuild, and the delta continues its timeless rhythmic dance of creation and destruction. The people of Bangladesh have learned to live with the water, not against it, with over 700 rivers and countless canals. The waterways serve as highways, bustling marketplaces, and a source of livelihood. In many rural areas, boats are the primary mode of transport, replacing cars. There are even floating schools that bring education directly to children in flood-prone regions, ensuring their learning is never interrupted by the rising tides. If the students cannot reach school, then the school will reach the students. But life in the Delta is facing unprecedented change. The global climate crisis is bringing stronger, more destructive cyclones, monsoons of greater intensity, and the slow, relentless threat of rising sea levels. Tonight, Bangladesh stands on the front line, facing some of the world's most severe climate challenges. Salt water from the ocean pushes further inland, poisoning farmland. Homes and histories are washed away. Millions of people are fighting a daily battle to protect their land, their families, and their very future. We have lost many things, but we do not lose hope. And in the face of these immense challenges, Bangladesh has become a global symbol of resilience and ingenuity. Communities have revived an ancient practice, floating farms. These buoyant gardens allow vegetables to grow on the water's surface, ensuring a food supply even during the worst floods. Thousands of cyclone shelters now line the coast, offering refuge and saving countless lives. Advanced early warning systems alert communities days before a storm hits, a model for the rest of the world. From solar-powered homes lighting up remote islands to women leading local climate adaptation councils. Bangladesh is proving that innovation can rise from the toughest of hardships. At the southern edge of the delta, where the land meets the sea, lies the Sundarbans, the largest single mangrove forest on Earth. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is more than just a beautiful wilderness. It is a natural shield. Its dense network of trees and roots absorbs the fury of cyclones, protecting the millions who live inland. It is also a critical sanctuary for biodiversity and home to the majestic and endangered Royal Bengal tiger. Here, the trees seem to stand on tiptoes, their tangled roots lifted high above the muddy water, guarding both nature and humanity. The story of Bangladesh is not just one of challenges and survival. It is a story of profound courage, of deep community bonds, and of constant forward-looking transformation. The Delta continues to evolve, and so do its people. From the vibrant, bustling streets of Dhaka to the quiet, resilient river villages, a new generation is at work. They are scientists, engineers, artists, and farmers, all crafting a sustainable future where human development and nature can finally coexist in balance. Bangladesh, a nation shaped by water, strengthened by resilience, and united by an unbreakable spirit of hope. In the world's greatest delta, life flows ever forward, unstoppable, powerful, and timeless, just like the rivers themselves.